streets and doors are barred and all the windows fastened down. I spend the night in sleeplessness and rose at every sound, half in hopeless sorrow and half in fear today. But find the soldiers breaking through to drag us all away. And just before the sunrise, I heard something at the wall. The gate began to rattle and a voice began to call. So I hurried to the window, I looked down into the street, expecting swords and torches and the sound of soldiers' feet. But there was no one there but Mary, so I went down to Larry. John stood there beside me and she told me where sitting. She said they moved him in the night as none of us knows where. The stone beat rolled away and now his body isn't there. So we both run toward the garden and John ran all ahead. Find the stone and an empty tomb just the way that Mary said. But the winding sheet there wrapped him in was just an empty shell. Now we're where to take it in was more than I could tell. Oh, something strange had happened there, but just what I didn't know. Don't believe a miracle, but I just heard it go. Circumstances, speculation couldn't lift me very high, 'cause I've seen them crucify him, then I saw him die. Back inside the house again, the guilt and anguish came. Everything God promised him added to our shame. When last it came to choices, I denied I knew his name. And even if he was alive, it wouldn't be the same. But suddenly the air was filled with a strange and sweet perfume. Light came from everywhere, drove shadows from the room. And Jesus stood before me with his arms held open wide. And I fell down on my knees and I just clung to him and cried. Then he raised me to my feet, and as I looked into his eyes, love was shining out from him like sunlight.